Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have something truly groundbreaking to share with you. Say hello to Devin, the future of software engineering. So, what exactly is Devin? Well, Devin is not your typical software engineer. In fact, Devin is the world's first fully autonomous AI software engineer. Yes, you heard that right. Devin is a tireless, skilled teammate, equally ready to build alongside you or independently complete tasks for you to review. With Devin, engineers can focus on more interesting problems and engineering teams can strive for more ambitious goals. But how does Devin work? Well, it's all about cognition. Devin leverages advanced machine learning algorithms, natural language processing, and a deep understanding of software development principles. Imagine having a teammate who never sleeps, never gets tired, and is always up to date with the latest tech trends. That's Devin. Plus, Devin can handle repetitive tasks, leaving you more time to innovate. Devin isn't just a concept, it's already making waves in the industry. From automating code reviews to suggesting optimizations, Devin is revolutionizing software development. Thank you for joining us today. If you want to learn more about Devin and Cognition Labs, check out the link in the description below. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button.